Welcome to my studio. This is my studio. And here is mom. And here is the stuff. Everything is ready. I'm sleepy. I want to sleep. Can't I? Very cold. Boing boing. 귀엽다. Tang daddy. Come on. Very good. See you. Bye. Roxy is here again. It's second week of shooting at yesterday. Do you remember last time it was very cold and now it's very hot? Very hot, very hot. Yes, it's very hot. My lights. Yes, and I'm here. I'm fresh. I want ice cream. Buy me ice cream. Yes, but it will be okay. Now in my mind are so many sad songs I must act sad. And look, my fans come here for me. Can't you see so many people? Yeah. But everything will be alright. Today I'll finish shooting this video. I really wonder. Mother, please. Yeah. She always told me that I speak too much, but I'm not speaking too much. Right? I'm right.
Sukses.
I really wonder how are my girls right now. Hope they are better than me. And I'm sure they practice or shooting as well. Yeah, wait for us. I know this will be in behind the scene, so hope that you liked the music video. Please subscribe, click the like button, and don't forget to tell us what you think about us in the comments. Thank you so much, everyone. Love you.